All right, I've been dealing with my heat pump, as you guys have, if you've seen my other videos, have known, and did some modifications to it. I'll go over that stuff later. But I've been dealing with a drain pan not wanting to drain. In prior video, I explained how somebody installed that A coil, added the AC onto the inner heater, electric heat below it, right? So, I'm just going through it. I put in a special trap. You can see down here, a force-fed air trap to help break the surface tension. I'm fighting this thing. I'm about ready just to rip the coil out and throw it on the ground and stomp on it, right? I'm going, that just don't make sense. I checked the line. But you got to see stupid. I got to show you stupid, because there's stupid and there's really stupid. So let's take a look at really stupid here. And this is why you want to have a certified contractor, licensed and insured, install anything or do anything in your home. This is me experimenting with the airflow going through the Hvac I'm on video. So this is my scupper valve to restrict the back air pressure going into my condensation line, because I was trying to determine my pressures through my condensation line. I'm going, it ain't draining and it ain't clogged, because I can put a shop vac on it and it'll clear and breathes fine with a shop vac. And I'm going, it's like 11 o'clock at night and I want AC, right? So I'm just going, what the hell? So I said, I'm going to crawl under the house. Now, I haven't wanted to crawl under the house because I've had contractors under the house taking out the insulation so we can inspect the subflooring for leaks and what have you. Bear with me, I'm going to put you down. But I'm going to show you shit brain stupid here. And then I'm going to solve this tonight. It's going to keep me up till about 1 in the morning, but here we go. I'm asking up. We're going to crawl under the house. I'm going to show you stupid.
All right. Luke, I am your father. Okay, so we're going under the house. And I want to show you. Somebody installed that Lennox heat pump. Whoever bought the heat pump paid a fortune for it. It's top of the line heat pump about 13 years ago. And whoever installed it didn't do a real good job. Now I'm going to show you how not, I repeat, how not to run a condensation line for your heating and cooling system, because if you do what retarded installer did on this job, your pan will overflow and rot your subflooring, rust out your coil, and ruin your home. So I crawl under here and I'm looking and I go, there's no way in hell that somebody would be stupid enough to have a condensation line do that. You see what's going on? Now tell me, what does gravity do with water? It draws it down. How the hell is this condensation line gonna drain? And don't tell me some nonsense about enough line pressure in the pump, or line pressure coming from the pan, because you got static pressure in the system that would negate any line pressure unless you had a 100-foot line. So this is stupid. This is why you don't let anyone work on your house that isn't licensed and insured, and you make sure that you get a receipt and you document all the work they do. So this house has water problem damage because the condensation line, which is coming through right there, see it? There's my condensation line stubbed through the floor, coming over. Supposed to have a 1/4 inch drop for every 12 inches of run. Gee, I wonder what happened there. So tonight, I'm going to punch a hole in that wall, and I'm going to take this line down. I'm going to get my 1/4 inch drop per 12 inches. It's excuse me, and I'm going to run that line through that wall. So there's the whole problem. Retard installer didn't know what the hell he was doing. Install a condensation line for this heat pump this way, right? On top of that, he didn't seal the furnace room, and pet hair and dust bypass the filter, completely clogging the inside coil. So I'm going through this whole home. We're tearing everything out so I can inspect the subflooring, seal it up from the bottom, re-insulate it with Roxol insulation with foam board with concrete on one side. So these guys have been working on this a while, but off topic, this is not in poor shape, and we're going to re-insulate properly and clean these ducts, because I found cat turd in one of the ducts and cat food in the others. I just thought I would show you stupid. Water runs downhill, not uphill. Well, thank God I decided to crawl up under this beast, because this is the last place I want to be on God's green earth right now. So I'll spend the next hour or so, take me about an hour, punch a hole through that concrete, stub that line through that wall, and get the proper draft going on my condensate line so I can finally run my air conditioner without flooding my furnace room. Okay. Gee, I guess Billy Bob didn't have a concrete bit to go through concrete block, or didn't want to use a hammer and a chisel. So I'll go through it. So there you have it. Don't mind this. Oh, it kind of drips. Okay, that's it. Wish me luck. When I get this furnace all done, when I get this furnace done, completely done, I'm gonna go over everything I did to it. It's gonna be quite unique. What I've done, you can kind of see here. So I'll do another video on that, but I just wanted to cover stupid. I want to do the stupid video first, so that you could see what goes on with certain contractors and homeowners not getting receipts and paying cash for stuff and what have you. So there you have it. So I'll fix that tonight. Over and out.